It is time to confront an uncomfortable truth about the current state of consumer technology, because everyday computer hardware has essentially hit a massive development wall, leaving creators trapped in a tiresome cycle of minor speed bumps, superficial design refreshes, and predictable upgrades that fail to justify the astronomical price tags companies demand for their flagship machines. You invest thousands of dollars into a premium workstation only to realize that within a few short months that cutting-edge feeling has completely vanished, leaving you with a device that feels entirely ordinary. However, behind the tightly locked doors of Silicon Valley, a completely different story is unfolding, and right now the engineering teams of the world's largest hardware manufacturers are experiencing a state of genuine panic. A massive wave of highly credible supply chain leaks has shattered the corporate silence, exposing the technical architecture of the upcoming MacBook Pro M6, with details emerging from these internal blueprints that are so radical they are poised to completely rewrite everything we thought we understood about thermal physics, efficiency thresholds, and mobile computing boundaries. We are not looking at a standard annual hardware refresh here, but rather standing on the edge of a full-scale architectural revolution that will make the premium computer you are using to watch this video feel like a primitive relic from the ancient past. Welcome back to the channel, your definitive source for exclusive insights into the absolute frontier of technology. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell. These technical secrets have been guarded with immense corporate prejudice for a very specific reason, because Apple is preparing to unleash an absolute apex predator onto the global market, a platform engineered to utterly decimate competing platforms and secure total industry dominance for the next decade. If you are even mildly considering buying a new computer, you need to halt your plans immediately, sit down, and listen closely to every single detail of this breakdown, because the entire landscape is about to shift permanently. To appreciate the wave of anxiety currently sweeping through competing PC manufacturing plants, we have to look past the external chassis and analyze the atomic structure of the M6 system on a chip, where we are officially leaving traditional manufacturing limitations behind and entering the bleeding edge of quantum-level engineering. The upcoming MacBook Pro M6 will make history as the first commercial consumer device to leverage Taiwan Semiconductor's pioneering 2-nanometer fabrication process. While nanometers often sound like boring corporate jargon, this transition directly transforms your daily creative output, because moving to a 2nm node means shrinking physical transistors to a microscopic scale that was previously considered impossible by modern physics, allowing engineers to pack tens of billions of additional transistors into the exact same physical footprint as the current generation architecture to create an incredibly violent leap forward in computational density. The early benchmark scores leaking from private testing facilities are genuinely staggering as we track single-core metrics that do not merely outpace previous iterations, but completely humiliate them, while the multi-core scores are comfortably shattering the unprecedented 40,000 barrier on Geekbench. To put that into perspective, this ultra-sleek whisper-quiet machine will sit comfortably on your lap, while effortlessly outperforming massive, liquid-cooled, power-hungry desktop workstations that cost 10 times as much and require a direct connection to a wall outlet. As a high-end creator, you will possess the ability to compile massive code bases, render multiple streams of 8K cinematic raw footage in real time, and execute highly complex 3D simulations simultaneously without the laptop ever breaking a sweat or even spinning up its internal cooling fans. However, the M6 framework is not just about raw computational speed, because it is engineered around an internal memory highway that borders on the absurd, where Apple is completely reimagining the way the processor communicates with unified memory. High-level industry leaks indicate that the top-tier M6 Max variant will debut with an unprecedented memory bandwidth that exceeds a staggering 1.5 terabytes per second, which is the exact class of data throughput historically restricted to enterprise-grade supercomputers operated by government research facilities. Why does a portable mobile workstation require that much internal bandwidth when the answer centers entirely on the localized artificial intelligence revolution? Apple is no longer interested in simply keeping pace with the mainstream AI landscape, as they are preparing to lap the entire field by engineering the MacBook Pro M6 from the ground up to operate as the ultimate local machine learning powerhouse. With a highly advanced iteration of Apple Intelligence woven deeply into the core architecture of macOS, this hardware will run incredibly intricate generative models and massive large language models entirely on device, meaning you can say goodbye to constant communication with remote cloud servers, say goodbye to latency while waiting for a data center to process your creative prompts, and experience absolute assurance regarding your data privacy. The hardware neural engine inside the M6 platform is rumored to be quadrupled in physical size, allowing your computer to actively anticipate your creative workflows, automate tedious microtasks, and generate ultra-high-resolution assets in fractions of a second, making it the functional equivalent of having an elite team of technical assistants operating directly inside your unibody chassis. While the internal silicon processing updates are mind-bending, the feature that will truly cause your jaw to drop is the display technology you will be interacting with every single day. Because, while previous liquid retina mini-LED displays have been phenomenal for color accuracy, they have always suffered from minor limitations in contrast and response times compared to true emissive panels. The wait for visual perfection is officially over, but Apple is not just delivering a standard screen update, as supply chain data tracking back to Samsung's premium manufacturing lines confirms that the MacBook Pro M6 is adopting advanced tandem OLED technology. Standard single-stack OLED panels look beautiful, but they inherently suffer from strict brightness limitations and the persistent threat of pixel burn-in when displaying static user interface elements, like a desktop menu bar for extended periods. Tandem OLED completely resolves these engineering challenges by physically stacking two independent light-emitting layers directly on top of each other to achieve two extraordinary breakthroughs simultaneously by doubling the sustainable peak brightness, so your HDR video mastering and cinematic playbacks will showcase blinding, lifelike highlights. Furthermore, because each individual layer only handles half the operational workload to achieve those brightness targets, power consumption plummets and the lifespan of the panel is exponentially extended to effectively erase the risk of burn-in, giving you absolute infinite contrast ratios, pure pitch black shadows, and color accuracy so precise that it will completely redefine how you approach professional grading and asset creation. At the same time, a massive structural shift is taking place at the very top of this gorgeous display, because since 2021, the creative community has been intensely divided over the visual intrusion of the display notch housing the webcam. According to the latest leaked CAD schematics, the notch is officially dead as Apple transitions the M6 lineup to an ultra-sleek under-display Face ID array combined with a microscopic near-invisible hole-punch camera cutout, so biometric convenience finally arrives in its purest form on the Mac. The exact moment you lift the display lid, the machine instantly reads your three-dimensional facial profile, securely logging you into the system before the panel even fully illuminates, while a contextual desktop variant of the dynamic island migrates to macOS to live fluidly within the top menu bar to seamlessly expand and contract with background rendering statuses, project export timelines, and active system alerts. Let us look at the physical architecture, because the industrial design language of the past few generations is being completely retired since the 2nm M6 processor operates with such unfathomable thermodynamic efficiency that the chassis no longer requires thick internal cavities for aggressive, bulky cooling hardware. As a result, the MacBook Pro M6 is undergoing a radical design diet, returning us to an era of breathtaking structural thinness without any of the thermal throttling issues that plagued older thin laptops. The entirely redesigned chassis will be forged from an advanced aerospace-grade titanium alloy to move away from traditional aluminum, and this structural transition means the laptop will be significantly lighter in your everyday gear bag, while remaining immensely more rigid, durable, and scratch-resistant. Furthermore, the entire keyboard deck is receiving a comprehensive overhaul, featuring a completely flush layout paired with a tactile, mechanical-style switch mechanism that provides deeper key travel and an immensely satisfying typing response without adding a single millimeter to the base thickness. To solidify its status as the ultimate mobile workstation, Apple is finally addressing the single biggest complaint shared by professionals on the move, which is standalone connectivity, as highly credible industry insiders have verified that this will be the very first professional Mac to incorporate fully integrated, built-in 5G cellular connectivity driven by Apple's own proprietary, custom-designed internal modem. You will possess a permanent, blazing fast, secure data pipe wherever you happen to be on the planet. So imagine finalizing a massive multi-gigabyte project export and immediately uploading it straight to a secure client server while sitting in the back of an urban transit vehicle, without ever having to hunt for an unsecure, slow public Wi-Fi network. When you combine this level of terrifying raw computing performance, the perfection of a tandem OLED display, an ultralight titanium form factor, and constant cellular independence, you would naturally assume that total runtime would take a massive hit. However, this is precisely where the thermodynamic wizardry of the 2-nanometer architecture delivers its final masterstroke, because the efficiency gains are so profound that internal targets are allegedly aiming for a staggering 30 to 35 hours of active, mixed-use battery endurance on a single charge cycle. You can confidently leave your charging bricks at home on a Friday morning, execute heavy workloads all weekend, and still have ample reserve juice to render out projects on your commute back. This is no longer just a standard annual upgrade cycle, but a declaration of absolute dominance over every other hardware manufacturer in existence, because the MacBook Pro M6 is shaping up to be the undisputed apex predator of the technology world, an unyielding, uncompromising machine designed to completely clear the field. The official launch window is closing in faster than the industry expects, and personal computing will never be the same again. So as this monumental paradigm shifts, make sure to stay locked right here to the channel as we continue to track every breaking development leading up to the most anticipated technology debut of the decade.